Tired of Netflix always playing shows in the wrong language or with subtitles you don't want? Here's how to set your default audio and subtitle language the right way on Android. First up, open your Netflix app. Now, on the profile selection menu, you'll see an edit icon. Tap on it. This will give all your profiles a pencil icon. Tap on the pencil icon over the profile you want to edit. Now look for audio and subtitles and tap on it. Here, you'll see multiple options to choose your language. Choose the one you like. After selecting it, go back to your profile selection menu and tap the profile you just changed the language of. Netflix will now use your selected language for most movies and shows you watch. If this guide helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick Netflix and Android tutorials. See you in the next one.